Do you want to add a contact in your Gmail account? Well, that's quite easy to do. Hi everyone, my name is AJ and welcome to Askprob blog. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to add contacts in your Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please press the like button and don't forget to press the subscribe button. To add a contact in your Gmail account through computer, first of all, you need to open your browser. In my case, I like to use the Google Chrome, but if you like some other browser, you can use that. Now go to the gmail.com website. Once you will reach to the gmail.com website, you need to click on the contact button, which is available at the right corner of your mailbox. You can see it here. Now you will able to see your contacts. Here you need to click on the open in new tab button, which is available above the contacts tab. Once you will reach to the contacts.google.com, here you need to click on the create contact button. Once you will click on the create contact button, you will see two options. One will be create a contact and another one will be create multiple contact. So if you want to create a single contact, you need to click on the create a contact, but if you want to add one or more contact, then you need to click on the create multiple contacts. In my case, I'm going to add only one contact, so I'm going to click on the create a contact button. After clicking on the create a contact button, you will reach to the contact form page. Here you need to add the person's name, so whatever the person name is, you can add that here. And then if you want to add some other information like their company name, their job title, you can add that. Now here you need to add their email address. Please note that this is a dummy contact, so that's why I'm entering this kind of information, but if you are adding some contact, you need to add their information in this form. Now add their phone number if you want, and their birthday and notes if you want to add that. Apart from that, if you want to add some other contact information in your Gmail, then you can click on the show more option, and here are some other options like suffix and phonetic first and other information. So if you want to add that, you can add that. And once you will finish with adding the information, you need to click on the save button. After clicking on the save button, your contact will be created. Now if you will click on the contacts button, then you will able to see your contact here. You can see it here. This is the contact that I had created right now. So this was the video about how to create a contact on your Gmail account using a computer. If you find this video helpful, please press the like button and don't forget to press the subscribe button. Thank you for watching Askprob blog.